think you should be.
What's going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video we will be looking at Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as Wax. So shout out to Ioma Foxy. I don't really know how to pronounce your name, but shout out right up there. If you guys would like to be shouted out in tomorrow's video, please make sure to subscribe as well as turn on post notifications and leave a comment below telling me what your top altcoin is. Otherwise, let's get on with the crypto episode. So let's just refresh the cryptocurrency market cap right now and just take a look at what the coin market cap is. So you can see we see it at $433 billion, which is okay, with a 24-hour volume of 26 and a very low Bitcoin dominance at 36.9. A few things that stand out is EOS being now at $19, up 10%. Cardano pushing above Litecoin right now, up 30%. As well as Litecoin being only 3%. But these two coins seem to stand out, Litecoin being now number 7. Interesting. Is it too late for Litecoin, or does it got more to it? We'll find out. But otherwise, the market looks pretty good. Eternity up 40%. Pretty wild. 33% for Ontology. Very nice cryptos that we're seeing in the market booming. So let's just take a look at this article quickly. So this is on Global Coin Report. And it says, is Litecoin changing its game plan by going for mass adoption? So it's an article by Maja Rajic. Litecoin seemed to be severely defeated a couple weeks ago when this currency fell from its originally held spot in the 5th best currency, where it has been for quite some time. The 6th spot on the global coin ranking list. This case just reminded the crypto community that tables are turning quickly in the world of the new digital value, where EOS pulled a short end of the stick in replacing Litecoin at the 5th best currency due to its increased market cap. Although it says, however, Litecoin is working on a great comeback, as we can witness by increased activity in the market strategy with Charlie Lee and his team, as they seemingly going for mass adoption of their coin. That is how Litecoin has shown astonishing results. So they're starting a project produced by WireX, Litecoin, and 10x partnership. We already know, we talked about that, so I'm not going to go over that. But just all of these other things that Litecoin seems to be doing and wants to be mass adopted is quite interesting. So we'll see if that helps influence the price. But I did make a video this morning. Hopefully you guys check that out. If you haven't, if you wait till the end of the video, there will be a link to this morning's video. But let's take a look at Litecoin, guys. So right now we're on the 4-hour chart for Litecoin, and hopefully what you guys notice is clearly this double bottom right here. Hopefully that gives us enough support to blast us through this resistance line, but clearly you can see where we're holding resistance, right at the 150 mark. We just are trying to battle and go above that, and we can't right now. But what I like to see is that this high-low middle moving average is pushing us higher up, and we should hopefully be able to blast through that. So I'm hoping with us being very in the middle on equilibrium on the RSI, we should be able to move above this area right here. Obviously, we're trying to break above and go into this channel that we had, this uptrend. We'll see, but we're definitely looking to see a Litecoin up into the 160 region right around here. That's where I'm looking to see a breakout or a run up to. Definitely consolidating for the past few days. This is a double bottom or a teacup like effect. Sorry, cup and handle. So it'll be interesting to see whether or not we're going to be able to break up. But I'm definitely looking to see a movement higher up into this region over here. If we go to the daily right now, we'll get a better look at the overall chart. And you can see where we had resistance facing the high-low middle moving average right over here, where we came up and then came back down. And we are now just consolidating at this line right around here at this 145 region. We did manage to bounce off that. And let's just check the TD sequential and see what exactly we're dealing with. So interesting enough, guys, like I said this morning, we had I believe two candles, and then we started a new one now, trading above the previous candle. So interesting though, so we should hopefully start this one candle, bringing us higher up and not falling. We should be able to get the volume to bring us higher. and then start a second candle moving us higher up into this high-low middle moving average. But I believe if I can zoom in close enough, you can see we are very close to this resistance line right here. So we have these two lines that we're going to have to face and hopefully break through that and get us up into this uptrend right here. But it's definitely possible to break it. I'm hoping to see that tonight, but we will see. But we definitely broke out of the overall pennant flag that we were looking at. So you can see we broke upwards from it and are now just facing resistance along this high-low middle moving average. So hopefully we can break through that and then see some higher highs, maybe up to a $200-300 Litecoin that I know everybody's waiting for. But obviously we need the volume into the market, and we're looking to see hopefully around a $500 billion market cap, hopefully within this month or in May, you know. But moving on to Bitcoin right now, guys. Definitely the same consolidation pattern, and what Bitcoin really needs to do is break this 94.30 resistance level and pop into this uptrend channel that we've had for quite a while now. As you can see on this 4-hour, it's been trading in this uptrend for a very long time, and we should hopefully be able to pop and go above and trade in here as well. That's what we're looking for Bitcoin right now, is to see it move into this zone. Now, as the high-low middle moving average moves up, it should hopefully pop Litecoin and bring it into this region right here. Seeing that the market does look pretty good, we should hopefully see some of this action happening within the next day or two. Litecoin, honestly, I mean, Ethereum, honestly, is just looking phenomenal. It has not broken its uptrend. It's been doing quite well. The high-low middle moving average is moving with the currency. Maybe just a day or two more of consolidation till we get back to this line of support. And then I could just see us moving higher. Definitely a challenge will be breaking the $700 line. I believe that is a pretty big resistance for this currency, for sure, for Ethereum. So definitely check that out. It would be nice if we can see the volume push us above for Ethereum. We should hopefully see some movement in Bitcoin and Litecoin as well. But as you can see, we're getting very close to that 700 mark, and then hopefully it can blast us up as we go past it, because we are looking pretty good on the RSI as well. So definitely keep an eye on Ethereum. It seems to be, honestly, out of all the blue chips that I've looked at right now, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum seems to be the best one, or trading the best, because it has not broken this uptrend right now. You'll notice Bitcoin broke the uptrend and Litecoin broke the uptrend, unlike Ethereum, which has stayed within it for quite a while. But maybe it just seemed like Litecoin needed some more consolidation and kind of grasping this line right here. But we'll see what happens. Otherwise, let's look at WAX. We're looking at WAX on the 4-hour. I'm just going to zoom in really quick. So all I'm seeing right now is just a few levels of resistance. We have one right here. We have another one right along this area right here. And there's some lower too, but interesting. There is a slight uptrend for WAX right now, or there was something like that for sure. And then I guess this is an ascending triangle, and I guess it broke down. But you can clearly see where it's having resistance or trouble is this line right here at 37 cents, right around this area. So what I'd recommend is, it's tough. It kind of needs to trade sideways more. It needs to consolidate more. It's too new. So I can just see it trading sideways more, and hopefully it can break through this resistance level. If it does break through 37 cents, I'd say it's a good buy and ride it up for a slight time, because there won't be more resistance until, I want to say, this level right here. But because it's so new, it's hard to say what their highs are and whether or not it's trading too high or too low, because there's nothing to back it off of. But that pretty much is what WAX is seeming to play out. We can see these resistance levels right here and here and here, and you can see the uptrend it had before it broke down. going to this high-low middle moving average. But if the high-low middle moving average continues to move up, like the way it's doing, and continues to go like that, it should hopefully force Wax to pop up and then target this range right here. And then we'll see. I don't know how high it can continue to go because there's nothing to base it off of. But hopefully you guys liked the video. Please like, comment, subscribe to the channel. And I don't know if you guys have noticed, but we actually broke 2,000 subscribers today. So shout out to you guys. I appreciate that. I do plan on doing a possible giveaway at 5,000. I'm still thinking about it. Definitely 10,000, but maybe let me know in the comments if you think a 5,000 subscriber giveaway is something you guys are interested in. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.